Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Economic growth questions get sneaky fast, but this one is clean if you focus on what growth actually measures, not just any good-looking economic change. Economic growth means the economy can produce more goods and services over time, and the key idea is real output, not population alone, debt changes, unemployment moves, or inflation shifts. The standard measure here is real output per capita, because real removes price changes and per capita adjusts for population, so you are tracking actual production for the average person. That points to an outward shift in productive capacity, so the choice showing higher real output per person is the true growth indicator, option A. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing. Trust what is given and check steps so flashy economic changes do not trick you.